I never got tired of this.
Looks delicious.
Delicioso.
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 Divino.
Salud.
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 Huepa, así. Sigue el corriente, saca la botella, cambia el ambiente. Baby, no me mientes, tú sabes que te gusta muy caliente. Y baby, cuando bailas, moviendo suavecito, yo me quedo callada. Y baby, estoy perdido, volviendo loco en mi mente. Yo no sé lo que pasó, cuéntame, porque el corazón me robó ya. Saca la botella.
All right, this is your guy Travelmatic, and we are back again with another great video. We're in my favorite place in Mexico, Tijuana. We are going on the Mexican food and culture tour with my friend Martha. We got some other friends coming along with us. She's gonna show us where the bomb tacos, where the best tequila, and all the great sights of downtown Tijuana. So let's get into it. Let's go.
This guy, I don't know if you know it. All of you know it. The Aztec calendar. I think it's beautiful. I think every city in Mexico should have something like this. They don't, but I think they should. Because I mean, they were geniuses. They were so to the point, and it's just amazing, amazing. Okay, and we are going to here. Gracias.
Gracias.
Regales son verdes. No, tú ya te las sabes, seguro no. Regales son verdes. It took me a while to actually, learn the name. Tlaltecutli. It's not an easy. And we are going to the 5th floor.
Yes.
Volviendo loco en mi mente, yo no sé lo que pasó. Cuéntame, porque el corazón me robó ya. Saca la botella hasta que me olvide. Saca la botella.
The beautiful Sofia.
Hola. Mexicana.
Mexicana. Mexicana donde?
De Colima.
Gracias.
Right there, where the red building is, and that is called Solano. So this is not a tourist company. Every year is related to something. Okay. So you'll find the cougar, the red tree, a lot of all the names are okay.
Y eso se acabó, y eso se acabó. Baby, me robaste el corazón. Sigue el corriente, saca la botella, cambia el ambiente. Baby, no me mientes, tú sabes que te gusta muy caliente. Y baby, cuando bailas, moviendo suavecito, yo me quedo callada. Y baby, estoy perdido. Y eso se acabó, y eso se acabó. Bailando por la noche sin miedo. Y eso se acabó, y eso se acabó. Baby, me robaste el corazón.
Amigo, ¿qué pasa? Hola, amigo. Hey, hey, amigo. ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien. Hey, hey, hola, señoras. Hola.
Anyone wants a third taco of asada?
Yeah.
Yeah? One,
Sí, sí.
two, asada? Otro, tres.
So this is what kind of meat again?
This is suadero.
Suadero.
And fried. Re-roasted.
Okay.
Re-roasted on a semi-roasted tortilla.
Okay.
I like this on the grilled onions.
And what I do is with a piece of this, I just spread it on the other tortilla. And I probably have two tacos instead of one.
Really good.
It's like the meat.
That's al pastor.
Adobada. ¿Sin cebolla para él? No.
Ahumada.
Salsa pastor. Para ellos, por favor. Para ellos. Para ellos. Ah, ok. No, es que como son mis clientes. Pero doy primero. ¿Al pastor? Siempre no. Birra. One chela. Una chela. Ajá. That's why they're micheladas.
Oh my God.
See that building? That's Hotel Caesars. That's a hotel. It still belongs to the Hampton family. They are from where the Kardashians are from?
Armenia.
Armenian. They're Armenian. But they've been in Tijuana forever. And they're the original owners of what Caesars used to be. Then around 2007, 2008, they sold the restaurant, just the restaurant, to the Placencia family for them to reopen Caesar after 40 years of being closed.
Wow.
Yes. And that's what it is now. This hotel has just been remodeled.
Okay.
All the inside is new. Everything, all the shutters, all of what you see there is new. And it's not expensive.
Okay.
You can stay there for.
Do you get free salad for?
No. No.
For staying?
No, I don't.
Okay.
No, I don't think anybody does.
Cool. Can't wait to taste this salad.
These 3 blocks of Avenida Revolucion, these 3 blocks, so the one to the left and this one and one to the right, get closed Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So people can actually walk on the street. They're close to traffic.
Okay.
So you can walk on the street and it's a really cool vibe.
Cool, cool.
Yeah. We're going right. Caesars is right there, but we're gonna.
Let me see. And I've definitely did a video on this before. I'll leave the link right up here of that one. I've been here twice. So it is always a cool time here.
About 50 something. That's what it is. But I love this building and I wanted to stay here forever and ever. Yeah? It's a beautiful building.
So the games is still banned, right?
Huh?
Are they open it up again?
No. I'm told someone in Miami is trying to bring the game back.
Really?
I don't know if they're making any changes.
This isn't open anymore?
No. This is a venue. They use it for concerts, for conferences, plays, stand-up comedian.
Okay, Ben Hall.
And the name of this place again?
High Alai.
I like.
Hayalay. Erasure, the band Erasure, they came to play here a couple of years ago, right before the pandemic.
Over there.
They're from England. You don't know who they are? I'm old.
Asia?
Erasure.
You're right. We're
How can I?
Americans. We're
Okay.
enough like everyone else.
That's it. Ready, guys? We're in.
And here we are at Caesars.
I bet you they have sangria.
No way, guys. They were a big family. They come to live in this area after the war. And she comes up. They didn't have a lot of money. And she opens up her pantry, finds all these ingredients, and that's what she had to give her. I think they had like 8 kids, so she had to feed them all. She mixes these ingredients and comes up with the Caesar salad. Now, later, one of her sons works here, and Cesar Cardini is the chef. Also Italian, but not the same family. One time, because Ensenada and Tijuana used to be sailor magnets, especially when they weren't able to drink any alcohol in the States at the Prohibition era, they would come here. Ensenada had the Riviera Casino and Hotel, very nice and very big. That's where the Margarita was born. And they would come here to Caesar's. So it's 8:30 one night. They used to close at 9. 20 sailors come here and they want to be fed. They wanted to send them away because they used to close at 9 and told them we don't have anything. And one of them points at a table and he goes, well, he's eating there and that looks good. Well, you know what? He's the chef. He can eat anytime. And what he's having, we don't even have it in the menu. And we don't care. We just want to feed us 20, make 20 of those for us. So we're starving. That's how the Caesar salad started being sold.
Oh, you gotta get all the white. It's like exactly the opposite. I don't know, like, before there was so much work to make a Caesar salad. I just thought it's just a bunch of leaves thrown together. A bunch of leaves with that Caesar dressing. That looks good. Are you recording that? You should send it to the group chat. Yeah, you should send it to the group chat. That looks real. That
Antonio, la mía ya sabes con pura pimienta encima.
There it is.
And you have to hold the leaves exactly the same. You have some.
Gracias.
The masa, the masa.
Tamales con masa, so that's basically fried.
Yeah, yeah,
What is, it's like a tortilla?
yeah, like a thick tortilla.
Good.
And I'll show you. Can I get yours to show? Okay, this is guys. This is the way. This is the way you get it out. You go on your with the fork, and it'll dump in there. Tuétano.
Sí
Okay.
es tuétano, ¿verdad?
Yeah, see? This is roasted tuétano. It'll dump in there. And the way I do it is I do the bone marrow, a little bit of lime, a little bit of this, just a few drops of the salsa, and just a tiny bit of salt.
Provecho.
That's it. Okay? And from then,
Looks delicious.
I never got tired of this.
Looks delicious.
Delicioso.
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 Divino.
Salud.
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 Salud, 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 salud.
Pimienta negra en la.
That's a good idea, pepper.
Oh, yeah, pepper.
Without the.
Aquí grabando al gringo más guapo comiéndose una ensalada. Saluda, gringo. Saluda, gringo. Saluda, gringo. ¿Delicioso? Delicioso.
Wow, what a great video. Definitely enjoyed that time. Kicking it with Martha and my friends. Oh, the food, the tequila. Love Tijuana. Definitely like and subscribe. Share this video with your friends and your family. Would you go on this tour? Let me know. All our information is below. I'll see you in the next video, and I'm gone.
Yo no sé lo que pasó.